Hello, Scorpio. Lioness Intuition here doing your reading. So, Scorpio, getting into your energy. My upper chakras, my throat, my third eye, and my crown chakra, even my soul star chakra, for those who know about the, more than just the seven chakra system, right? Is very much humming with energy at this time, okay? Which is very reflective of the first card we have out. We have third ray of creative intelligence, sorry. Okay. Now with this energy here, coupled with the premeditation download energy that I received, Scorpio, I definitely feel like you are receiving some sort of creative, inspired ideas at this time directly from the divine, okay? And it's giving you this very energized, go get him, bring it into physical reality, sort of an energy like you just want to take action, you just want to do. It's something that feels really good to you, okay? Which please go ahead and do that. We need more of that in the world, okay? Ideas inspired to serve others with the intention of spreading more love. Please do that. Anywho, I'm also getting the message, the main message that I'm getting with this energy is that your upper chakras are being activated, being highlighted at this time, because there are lost parts of yourself that you have left in other lifetimes, Scorpio, and the divine is asking you to retrieve your lost power, okay? There is a 3D, a very earthly thing that you are meant to do, meant to create, right? It's a very practical thing. Sorry, guys. I don't know why there we go. Yeah, there's a very earthly thing that you are meant to create in this lifetime. It is a very practical thing, which again is going to spread a lot of love throughout the collective. And again, it's something that you're meant to be doing. But in order for you to fully embark on that part of your journey, there is a need to retrieve the fragmented parts of your soul that you have left in other lifetimes. Okay, very much coming out in this card. I can't think of the word. Sorry, guys. We have protection. Call back your power. Cut the cord. Soul retrieval. Okay, retrieving the fragmented soul parts of your soul to become a whole again, with the moon there in the background. Okay, and we also have let go. Let go. Also won't read the bottom, but let go. It's time to let go of what has been holding you back, whether that's in this lifetime or past lifetimes, Scorpio. It's time to come back to a whole being, a whole being. They're telling me to spit it out. Just spit it out. It's very masculine sort of an energy communicating with me right now. Anyway, basically, you're meant to create something on Earth, right? Some sort of structure. You can't do that if parts of your soul in many other lifetimes and timelines. Okay. So, Scorpio, let's go ahead and see what other messages the divine has for you, or if they want to expand on this. Okay. What messages do you have for the Scorpios at this time, please? Messages for the Scorpios, please. What else can you tell Scorpio about this message, or is there another message you would like Scorpio to receive at this moment, please? Thank you. Well, we have the Eight of Swords, Gemini energy. Feel confinement. Confinement. I feel like you're finding yourself in a very confined space, Scorpio. Confined by your reality. Yeah, we have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Jupiter energy, so Sagittarius. Yeah, you can't find space. There's no more space in your environment. Now we have the Page of Swords. Definitely receiving some sort of clarity. Yeah. Some sort of clarity. Okay, for some of you, this clarity is being received through your intuition, through communication with your guides, and it's going to come through in a very masculine sort of way. Please do not be alarmed by that. Okay, I'm going to be straight up with you right now, Scorpio. I definitely feel like you need to be... There is a need for a masculine approach at this time to help push you forward. I want to find out more. Just as I stop, there's a need for masculine energy to push you forward, right? The masculine energy associated with action. Tell me more about this Page of Swords for Scorpio. What can you tell Scorpios about this Page of Swords energy? Tell me more about this clarity received. I can't tell you what the clarity is, Scorpio. All I know is that we have the Eight of Swords in reverse with the Hangman also in reverse, so Gemini and Pisces energy. Whatever this communication is that you're receiving, whether it's through another person or through your guides, it is releasing you, okay, from the confinement that you feel. You now see things from a different perspective. You see the bigger picture in the situation. You were seeing the details in which you were missing previous to this clarity coming in. Okay? Yeah. Just make sure you're in a grounded state, Scorpio, for those who are communicating with your guides. Please keep yourself really hydrated, and it's like instant headache sort of energy. Okay, thank you. For those who are opening your higher chakras, right, who are moving beyond the dense earthly chakras and moving up into the higher, more lighter frequency chakras, again, please be very grounded at this time. There are a lot of energetic changes coming in that are occurring within your body and within your frequency. So it's going to be very easy for you to become ungrounded, off balance, and be very much sucked up into the higher realms. Okay, and it's great. It has the potential to become very disorientating for those who are not used to being up in the higher levels of frequency. Okay, please just be aware of that. What other messages do you have for Scorpios at this time? Is there anything else you would like to share with Scorpio, please? I feel like we've covered it all, Scorps. I truly feel that. It's interesting. It's kind of like Gemini's reading. We have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse with the Knight of Swords, Gemini energy. I feel like someone is coming back to reclaim a missed opportunity, an opportunity that they turned down or missed in some sort of way. For some, this missing energy it feels like a time crunch, like a very 3D matrix time crunch. Yeah, I feel like claiming. feel like this is your energy, Scorpio. I really don't. Alright, now we also have the Three of Wands, Aries energy with the Four of Cups, Scorpionic energy. Not Scorpionic energy, Cancerian energy. But with this energy here, I feel like this person has looked to their future, right? Has looked to their future, seen what it entails, and is very disappointed with the choices that they have made. Okay? With the Page of Pentacles being at the bottom of the deck in reverse, I feel like this person was very quick to turn it down, very quick to ignore the details. There is something about there's something about materialistic things with this Page of Pentacles. Like, it feels very greedy, but greed from a very immature point of view, a very immature point of view in relation to money, in relation to finances, the same thing, but stability. I feel like whoever this person is, right, has come to terms with this, and that is why they're rushing back to reclaim a missed opportunity. I don't feel like this opportunity is there, to be honest with you. I feel like they're hoping that they can recreate the scenario again to have a second opportunity, a second chance at this. But I feel like the driving force was recognizing that, Scorpio, you are not in this person's future. You are nowhere to be found. I do feel a romantic connection here. I do feel that. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like this person's ego is really driving them. I feel like the ego pushed them to make this decision in the past, only to realize that, and I know how this sounds, and I don't even care, right? It's just the message that I'm receiving. This person's ego pushed them to turn down this opportunity, only for them to realize that things didn't get better, right? Things only got worse after you left, Scorpio, after this opportunity left, right? And I feel like this person's ego is pushing them to retrieve, to recreate that, to recreate that opportunity, because things won't get better. Okay, so now I have the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, again, I truly just feel like this is about some sort of romantic connection, one that had the potential to go the distance with the understanding that both parties would put in the relevant effort and work, learning lessons, growing, expanding, all of that sort of energy. But again, I feel like this person's ego is really driving them. Can you tell me more about this message? Thank you. Seven of Pentacles, yeah. Yeah, there's a romantic connection, seeing the truth, yeah. Yeah, okay. So, now we have the Seven of Pentacles, Taurian energy, the Three of Pentacles, Capricorn energy, the Two of Cups, Cancerian energy, and the Seven of Cups, in reverse, Scorpionic energy. So exactly what I was just saying. Exactly what I was just saying. Honestly. So, Scorpio, I am just going to leave that there. Again, I don't feel like there's This is more about the other person and you having awareness of this rather than actually affecting you. I don't know. Someone obviously needed to hear that. So, Scorpios, that's your reading. Please tell me if it resonated, if you like this reading, if you didn't. And if you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All support to this channel is very much appreciated. But until next time, Scorpio, I'll see you later.